Good afternoon, guys. This is Bertrand from Sentry Software, and today I'm starting a series of videos to show you what we do at Sentry to improve your experience with BMC TrueSight, with Patrol, and the monitoring in general. So today I want to focus on one product, one feature. In the ancient times, we used to have Patrol Classic console. Let me show you the Classic console. My Classic console is here. So look at this old design, like it was developed in 1995 or something. The Classic console connects to each Patrol agent and shows you what the agent is monitoring and the status of everything, etc. And you can say whatever you want about the Classic console and its old style, but it had one very cool feature, and that feature was called the system output window. There it is. The system output window is basically just like a command prompt. So here I'm on an agent running on Linux, so I can do that. I can some command and see the output of the commands that I type here appear there. It was very practical to troubleshoot the system where the Patrol agent was running on. Really not practical if you want to diagnose, troubleshoot what is going on in the system. Monitoring Studio, it's just a KM, like any other KM for Patrol. You install it, you deploy it on all your agents. And Monitoring Studio allows you to set up the monitoring of anything, whatever you want. Be creative. But it also adds something really cool, which is a web interface to the Patrol agent that allows you to interact with this Patrol agent. So let me show you this. Let's connect to the web UI of Monitoring Studio. So the Monitoring Studio UI shows you what is being monitored by the Patrol agent, the KMs that are loaded, the instances that are monitored. It shows you the events that have been triggered by the agent. It has the studio part, which allows you to set up the monitoring of whatever you want. Then the agent sections shows you information about the agent, what it does, the agent log, etc. And then the most important part here for today, it's the tools section with the shell. Okay, so I just opened a shell. Looks like a terminal. So what happens if I type ls? Oh, that's cool. You see colors in my terminal. That's awesome. Wait, so does it mean that tab completion works? Let's see. More cell underscore tab. Wow, see, that's great. Tab completion works. And more works as well. See, I can paginate. That's incredible. And so this is a terminal in a web page of the web UI of Monitoring Studio running on my Patrol agent, which allows me to interact with the system where my Patrol agent is running on. What can I do? Oh, can I VI something? Let's see. VI Patrol rc.sh. Wow, I can VI. That's awesome. You can go there. See, that's incredible. That's very practical. Okay. So now let me show you some Linux tricks. Do you guys know toilets? Wow. Doesn't fit. but it's still pretty, right? That gives me another idea that I want to try with you guys. Let's try something crazy like installing a game. Do you guys know Invaders? Let's see. It's installing. This is awesome! Look at that! Space Invaders running in my terminal. In my web UI, in monitoring studio, on my patrol agent. We can have good times with patrol, TrueSight, and monitoring studio. Who said it was boring? Let me show you how this is played. Okay. Am I good on... This is not that easy, see, because you have to be synchronous. They're shooting me, these bad guys, and they're getting better and closer. I need to kill the blue one. Yes. And now the green one. No! Shoot, I'm gonna die. No! Game over. I'm so bad at this game. Okay, let's try. Is this gonna run? Did you know C Matrix? This is awesome. Look at that. This is actually pretty fluid. I was saying you have to realize the technical prowess of what is happening here. It means that the data goes from C Matrix to Bash, the patrol agent, to monitoring studio, to patrol agent, to the HTTP server in my Java process, communicating to the browser who's running xterm.js in the monitoring studio web app. This is incredible. And I can do that. I can interact like in a real terminal on any agent where monitoring studio is installed. This is very practical, very helpful. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and showed how Monitoring Studio improves your experience of TrueSight. See you guys.